Hi, this is Sharath from Informatica Global Customer Support. In this video, we will see PostgreSQL connector details in PowerCenter. The agenda of this video is brief introduction about PowerExchange for PostgreSQL connector in PowerCenter, prerequisites required for this connector, what should be the import option we need to use in Designer, and what should be the connection type that should be created in the workflow manager, and a quick demo. Starting PowerCenter 10.4.0, Informatica has released a native connector for PostgreSQL in PowerCenter. Before that, we can use third-party ODBC for PostgreSQL connectivity in PowerCenter. And name of the connector is PowerExchange for PostgreSQL, and it supports source, target, PDO connectivity, and also a pipeline lookup can be used. Prerequisites to use this connector. We have to make sure the PostgreSQL DB version is supported with the corresponding PowerCenter version. Please make sure to check the Informatica product availability matrix to check the compatibility of PostgreSQL DB version with corresponding PowerCenter version. To use this connector, we need to register the PostgreSQL connector plugin with PowerCenter repository service. Detailed steps are available in PowerExchange for PostgreSQL for PowerCenter user guide. To use this connector, we need a license option. These are the steps to check the license availability in your admin console. There should be an option PowerExchange for PostgreSQL. If this option is not available, please contact Informatica sales rep to get this option. To import the PostgreSQL object in Designer, we need to use create PowerExchange for PostgreSQL source or create PowerExchange for PostgreSQL target. We should not use import from database option here. While creating the connection in Workflow Manager, we have to make sure to select the type as PostgreSQL. Let us see a quick demo on this. To import the sources, go to the sources and click on the create PowerExchange for PostgreSQL source and provide all the DB details. If encryption is required to connect to this PostgreSQL DB, select the required encryption method and also provide all the required certificate details in this import window. Let's click on the test connection. Okay, it is successful. Finish. Usually this window takes couple of seconds to open up. As I've already opened it once, it opened quickly. Go to the required schema, expand it, click on the tables, select the required table. You can click here to check the object details and click on the import. Table has imported successfully. And similar steps for even target. Go to the targets and make sure to select the create PowerExchange for PostgreSQL target import option, and similar steps like source. In the mapping, when we are using this object, we could see that the type of object we are using here is PostgreSQL. If it is a if the object type is different, we'll not be able to select the PostgreSQL type connection in the session level. So please make sure to use the right import option so that we get the type of the object as PostgreSQL. We should not use import from database option here. Let us quickly check the session level. So in the relate to the connections, go to the connection, relational, select the type as PostgreSQL and new, and provide all the required details. Once the PostgreSQL connection is created, let's go to the session. If you could see, for the source, already PostgreSQL reader type is selected. This comes based on the type of the object in the designer. And here we can select the PostgreSQL type connection. Similarly to the target, we could see the type of the writer is PostgreSQL writer, and we can select the PostgreSQL type connection here. Let us quickly run this job. We could see that it has read 4 rows successfully and inserted 4 rows successfully in the target. Also, if you would like to use pushdown optimization feature with PostgreSQL database, then we have to import the objects in the designer using ODBC connection, and also in the workflow manager, create the connection of ODBC type and ODBC subtype. Make sure to select it as PostgreSQL and then use this connection at the session level for pushdown optimization use case. For more details on PowerExchange for PostgreSQL connector and pushdown optimization with PostgreSQL database, refer to the PowerExchange for PostgreSQL user guide in our documents portal, which is docs.informatica.com. Also, we would love to hear the feedback from you. Please write feedback to supportvideos@informatica.com. Also, you can reach us at InfoSupport Twitter handler. Thank you.